Hi everyone, welcome to Home Utilities. We bring the latest inventions and smart gadgets that make your daily life more easier and enjoyable.
Most of the people watching my videos are not subscribing. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Let's start the video. Transformable coffee table. This furniture is great in design, at the same time multifunctional, saving you space. Use this table as coffee and dining table along with the storage space. That provides an elegant way to tuck away newspapers, magazines and laptop. Wi-Fi organizer box. Creating a decorative piece, it protects wire and power strip from children, pets, dust. Vegetable peeler. This peeler with peel storage which can store waste peels and easily dump them into the trash can. Vacuum bags for food. Keep food fresh 3 to 5 times longer than traditional storage methods, as it consists of double layer zippers which allow the vacuum bag to seal closely for a long time. Vegetable slicer. Laser engraved 360-degree rotating blade spaced evenly makes chopping, slicing, grating of vegetables and cheese and grinding of nuts and chocolates fast and easy. Shoe storage organizer. This shoe storage organizer stacks one pair over another, leaving you with double storage space. Unique travel bag clip. This bag clip is attached to suitcase drawer and can hold another luggage. It is helpful to store your laptop and essential things within easy access while travel. Mosquito coil holder. It allows mosquito coils to be burned in a safe and protects you from mosquitoes. Its design makes it a perfect decoration piece. Can opener. With its adjustable design, you can adjust size to open the bottle cap of any size. Popsicle molds. Popsicles are one of the favorite treats among all people, especially in summers. Popsicle molds make it easy to prepare them. Elephant-shaped ottoman stool. Looks perfect in a living room setting. Its versatile design goes well with both modern and traditional interiors. Cover sealing clip dispenser. Seal and pour bag clip features a handy pour spout with lid, makes pouring from and sealing a bag easy and quick. Extendable storage rack. This heavy duty storage rack brings a lot of organized space into your kitchen. It can hold your kitchen appliances, pots and pans. Eggs tray. Keep eggs protected, organized and stackable neatly in the fridge or kitchen top. Garlic chopper. Press the chopper and sharp blades ensures the ingredients are chopped into fine pieces. Washing machine anti-vibration stopper. These anti-vibration pads are designed to reduce noise and vibration of washing machines. Rice storage dispenser box. Moisture proof and insect proof. Press the button to dispense your grains for just the right portions. Kitchen spice rack. Kitchen spice rack organizer is a great organizer for space management and kitchen cabinet storage. Easy to clean and assemble, its unique design enables you to adjust the spices, pantry and kitchen utensils. Absorbent sponge scrub. Absorbent sponge is suitable for wiping surfaces clean, strong enough to get all the grime off dirty pots and pans. Hangers holder. Keeps all your hangers organized and easily accessible when needed. Waterproof cell phone holder. Enjoy a movie, TV show while relaxing in the bathtub or shower without fearing the risk of water damage. Trimmer holder. Holds the trimmer in place without falling down, preventing its damage. Car slime. Car slime gel cleaner is super great to get into the vents, steering wheel, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the dirt. Tea diffuser. It is a very perfect for making a refreshing cup of tea. Use this loose leaf tea infuser with your favorite type of tea. Nose pads. Specs loosen and dropping down. Nose pad provides easy adjustment and gives comfortable experience. Net for balcony. Net for balcony prevents birds and things falling down. It acts as a base for drying items. Kids toy stand. This stand provides space to store and display kids' books and toys. Also help the children develop a good habit of reading and proper storage. Hidden trash can. It does not take up space and is convenient to use. Its invisible design makes your desktop organized and clean. Cleaning sponge wiper brush. This 2-in-1 design of sponge and wiper provides easy cleaning of mosquito mesh and mirrors. Space saving dining table. Straw filter. Metal reusable straw ideal to sip your tea and mocktails, ensuring you take every sip without a worry. Equipped with cleaning brush, make your straws easy to clean. Portable fridge. Portable car refrigerator is designed to offer you both options for cooling beverages and warming food on long trips.
Hope you find the video useful. Please subscribe, like and share the video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.